The SilverStone Milo 12 is a sleek, dual-orientation mini IDX chassis that aims to bridge the gap between home theater PC aesthetics and compact gaming powerhouse performance. After diving deep into expert analysis, user feedback, and technical details, it's clear that this case offers a unique value proposition, but not without a few caveats. Starting with its design, the Milo 12 stands out for its versatility. Whether you prefer a horizontal layout for a media center or a vertical tower to save desk space, the included accessories let you configure it to suit your setup. The support for full-length, triple-slot graphics cards, up to 345mm, is a rare find in a case this compact, making it a standout choice for GPU-heavy builds. Compatibility with both SFX, SFXL, and full ATX power supplies also adds flexibility, especially for those trying to maximize performance in a small form factor. Build quality is a mix of lightweight steel and plastic, which helps keep the overall weight at a manageable 11 pounds. Internally, the case accommodates 4 2.5-inch drives and even includes a bay for a slim optical drive, a nod to legacy users or those still burning disks. Cable management is tight but workable, and the included GPU riser cable and stand accessories show thoughtful engineering. However, the Milo 12's biggest limitation lies in its thermal design. There's only a single fan mount, and it supports just an 80 by 15mm fan, an unusual size that limits airflow and cooling options. With no fans included and minimal ventilation, thermal performance suffers under high loads. During testing, systems that ran cool in open air quickly hit thermal thresholds inside the Milo 12, necessitating clock and voltage reductions to maintain stability. Noise control also takes a hit, as restricted airflow causes components to work harder and louder. Dust filtration is another mixed bag. While filters are present on the side and front panels, they're fixed in place, making cleaning a hassle. Top and bottom vents remain unfiltered, so long-term dust buildup is inevitable without regular maintenance. In the end, the Milo 12 is best suited for low to mid-stress builds that prioritize GPU compatibility and compact design over raw thermal efficiency. It's not ideal for overclocking or high-performance workloads, but for users building a stylish, console-like PC that can still pack a punch, it's a solid, if slightly overpriced, option in the mini IDX space.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.